Greetings to all melanated people around the world. It's really a joy. It's a blessing. It's a pleasure being out here in nature and greeting you, knowing that I'm bringing this message of truth to you, this message of peace, this message of self-realization, a message that will bring you into discovering your true identity and give you even a better understanding of money, because many of us were brainwashed through Christianity to have a distaste or a dislike for money, for prosperity, for upliftment, because of our superstition and also because of stupidity, whereby the Bible has been interpreted to us so that we can believe that it is literal and that it is secular history. But my brothers and sisters, when you come to realize that the Bible addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically, that the Bible is not literal, neither is it secular history, you will also come to realize that the Bible was written symbolically, and that the original language of the Bible was a language of symbology. It was not a language that you explore with the breath, and that this language of symbology was hidden mystically, and ever so often there are wise ones as mystics and many others who will come to you to bring this message of self-realization to you and to teach you also the principles of money and how to attract it in your life after you would have discovered your true self first. That's the reason why Matthew 6:33 tells you that when you find the kingdom, which is basically coming to self-realization, being a self-realized being, knowing that God, finding the God that is within you, when you do that and come to know exactly who you are upon the face of this earth, that all these things will be added unto you, and you would have a different mindset, because you would have learned that you have to rearrange your mind. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to rearrange your mind where money is concerned, because many preachers who are just blind, leading the blind and interpreting the Bible to them literally, have brainwashed you to believe that the love of money is the root of all evil. But if you have any common sense at all, and you are not a hypocrite who want to bury your face in hypocrisy, you will know deep within that you love money, and you love money for many good reasons, and that the Bible also says that money answereth all things. So if you haven't discovered yourself and you're chasing after money, then money can corrupt you. If you do not know who you are and chasing after money, it will corrupt you. If you have a belief or concept of a God or creator outside of yourself and you're going after money, then money is most likely to corrupt you. But when you understand the creative power in you and understand that there is only one God, one creator, and there's only one creative power, and it's only the power of imagining, and money was for us imagine, then you would love money and want to embrace money, because you can use money to help the rest of humanity. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to now read to you from this sheet of paper I have in my hand here concerning these affirmations that I would have written concerning money. And the whole theme of it is I love money. And this is one saying I love money with the right concept of money being a self-realized being. Okay, so I'm going to read them all for you as much as possible, and you can write down some of these for yourself and use these affirmations as you recondition and rearrange your mind. If you grew up in Christianity and you want to free your mind concerning the concept of money, right, you can say these affirmations for at least 30 days and straight to rearrange your mind. Okay, let me go. I love money because money loves me. I love money because money is a commodity. I love money because money answereth all things. I love the energy of money because money is energy. I love money because money is sweet like honey. I love money because money pay all my bills. I love money because money follow me everywhere I go. I love money because money is spiritual. I love money because because money meets all my needs. I love money because I am the master of money. Money is not my master. I love money because money make me rich. But I am rich from within at first. I love money because money buy all my food. I love money because money is my friend and not my enemy. I love money because money give me properties. I love money because money save me from poverty. I love money because money always listen to me. I don't listen to money. I love money because money is obedient to me. I love money because money come to me easily. I love money because money is my servant who follow me wherever I go. I don't follow money, money follow me. I love money because money buy me a Bible. I love money because money make me a multi-millionaire. I love money because money is always attracted to me. I love money because money always provide for me. I love money because money exposes the clergy. I love money because money is godly. I love money because money creates opportunities for me. I love money because money is in me and around me. I love money because money is healthy. I love money because money empowers me. I love money because money makes me happy. I think I said that before. I love money because money motivates me. I love money because I manage money wisely. I love money because money comes to me every day. I love money because money comes to me abundantly. I love money because money embrace me and don't want to let me go, because money embrace me and don't want to let me go. I love money because money is my best friend. I love money because money is always connected to me. I love money because when I use money, she always come back to me. I love money because money help me to help others. I love money because money makes me prosperous. I love money because money is always in my bank book abundantly. I love money because the money frequency excites me. I love money because money enable me to give to charity. I love money because money allow me to give to those who will ask of me. I love money because money save me from prison. I love money because money increase my income. I love money because money make me a VIP, a very important person. I love money because money encourage me positively. I love money because money pay my children's school fee. I love money because money makes me feel lucky. So with that being said, my brothers and sisters, I just want to encourage you to use as much affirmation as possible concerning you loving money and money loving you, because money is just basically energy, because everything is energy, vibration and frequency. And the reason why I actually did this video is because I'm gonna be quite honest with you. Anyone who would have grown up in Christianity and would have taken Christianity seriously would have had a kind of twisted mentality concerning money. That's the reason why many of us would have been stuck in poverty for a very, very long time. And there are many others who today, whatever they have in their life, they have to remain a slave to the bank because they get caught up in the rat race and trying to prove that Jesus Christ, who doesn't really exist outside of them, which they believe that there's actually a Christ who exists outside of themselves, never really provide anything for them, but they want to prove that Jesus Christ had provided for them. So they would even borrow money from the bank and buy a vehicle and write up on it, you know, that God bless and God save and thank you Jesus, and all of these foolishness, fooling themselves. So my brother, my sisters, I just want to encourage you to have the right concept of loving money and embracing your true self, and let us use whatever money that will attract to ourselves to help humanity and to uplift humanity. Many times I look around and I see white people are the ones who go in black communities and feeding black children, but it's time for us to put an end to all of the ignorance and the stupidity that have been fed to us through Christianity, and try to gain as much money as possible and break all slavery, all mental slavery and economic slavery, so we can help our brothers and sisters so they also can be free from religious slavery and poverty mentality. So that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to encourage you to continue to support my ebooks, and I'm working very hard to get hard copies available for you also. And for those of you who would like mentorship and would like to also teach what I'm teaching to your people wherever you are, you can join me on Patreon and support this work on Patreon. Also, those of you who would like the mentorship, I will encourage you to donate $50 or more to my Patreon, and I'll be willing to give you my number and to mentor you. Now, if you're in a position where you can actually give $50, you can give $30, you can give $40 or even $25 and so on, you know, I'll still be willing to spend time with you and speak to you on the phone. Because you see, my brother, my sisters, this is not about money, but this is about getting a work done and reaching as much people as possible with this message of self-realization. And for myself, I really want to reach out to the people of the Caribbean and to take this message to them wherever they are, and it's gonna take money also to do it. So with that being said, my brother, my sisters, I want to give you the sign of enlightenment, and it being that I would have experienced the awakening within myself as a fiery being, and burst my crown chakra and became invisible, became one with the wind, and experienced the dawning of a new day, and experienced the rising of the S-U-N in a S-O-N. I would not have come to realize that without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made, and all things that was ever made was first imagined, and that without the sun there is no, and without the sun there is no life, and without the sun there is no light, and that the sun parallels the human imagination, and the human imagination parallels the sun, and God is our own human imagination, and we are the people of the sun. Therefore, let us use our mind power to create our every desire. So with that being said, I want to say peace, love you, I'm out.